Hey everyone! Today we will solve one of the biggest mysteries on the internet. Which Hostinger plan should you choose? Don't worry, this won't take long, unlike every other tutorial that thinks you have 7 hours and a PhD, haha. In fact, by the end of this one, you'll know exactly what to pick. Most beginners pick the wrong hosting plan, and then they blame the internet, their laptop, Mercury retrograde, or that one cousin who always knows about computers. So here's the simplest explanation ever. Let's go through all the Hostinger plans in under 2 minutes. Plan number 1, single web hosting. This is for you if you're building exactly one website. A portfolio, a blog, a small business website, or that secret side project you started at 1 a.m. last night. It's cheap, clean, simple, and honestly, 90% of beginners should start here. Plan 2, premium web hosting. Choose this if you want more than one website. Maybe you're building a personal brand, plus a business site, plus another business site you'll open after watching a motivational video. It gives you better speed, more storage, and it's honestly the best value overall. Plan 3, business web hosting. This is for online stores, coaches, freelancers, or anyone expecting real traffic. You get extra power, extra features, and your website can handle more visitors without crying in the corner. So here's your answer. For one website, choose the single plan. 2 or more websites, premium. Selling products or expecting traffic, business. And the best part? You can upgrade anytime, so you literally cannot mess this up. If you want the best deal, I've added my link in the description. You get an additional discount and it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. More quick, beginner-friendly tutorials coming soon. Save this video and go build something amazing.